Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get new members in Clash of Clans. Start by defining your clan goals and writing a clear recruitment message that lists requirements, perks, and activity expectations. Using game clan descriptions, global chat, and social media to share that message with screenshots and short clips. Track responses, tweak your pitch based on feedback, and make joining easy with a friendly first message. Reach new players by posting concise messages where they already hang out, like global chat and relevant social groups. Share visuals of clan activities, such as war wins or friendly challenges, to show personality and skill level. Offer quick onboarding details and invite trials for players to test your clan. Be consistent with posts and respond quickly to inquiries to convert interest into committed members. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces secure and meals ready between raids, perfect for late-night clan sessions. They stack well, seal tightly, and save time so you can focus on recruiting and battles. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep members by making the first days welcoming and structured, with a pinned guide to rules and goals. Pair newcomers with mentors or officers who answer questions and invite them to events. Run regular, fun activities like friendly challenges, themed wars, or small prize giveaways to maintain engagement. Recognize helpful members publicly, adjust expectations for new players, and collect feedback to continuously improve the clan experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.